Hi there, Amit here for Advice Media, and here we have the Sony Xperia Z Ultra, on which we are going to do a series of different benchmark tests using different applications. We are going to start off with the Antutu benchmark test and show you the results. So here we are going to test the device, and we are going to check out what's the actual score of this device. So the test has been completed, and as you can see the score is 29,494. Let me just show you the detailed scores here, and let's compare the score in terms of the charts. So let's submit the score first, and as you can see under the charts there are only two devices above the 20,000 score, which is the HTC One and the Samsung Galaxy S4. Let me just compare it with the Samsung Galaxy S4, and as you can see it actually beats the Samsung Galaxy S4 itself. The S4 has a total score of 27,810 while this has the score of 29,494. When you compare it with the HTC One also, it has a higher score. So that shows the total overall score of the Sony Xperia Z Ultra compared with the Samsung Galaxy S4 and the HTC One. And now we are going to do the benchmark test of the Sony Xperia Z Ultra using the Nenamark 2 application. So let me just run the test for the first time, and let me just show you the scores of the same. So the overall score, as you can see, is totally impressive because it actually beats all the numbers here. The total score here is actually 59.9 for the Nenamark test, and it is actually on the top of the charts. So that was the Nenamark 2 benchmark test on the Sony Xperia Z Ultra. And now we're going to do the benchmark test using the Quadrant standard benchmark application. Here we are going to run the benchmark test and going to check out the results of the same. So let's proceed with the test results, and as you can see this is quite surprising because the device comes with some terrific scores. So the total results show here that the device has a total score of 18,000 while the HTC One X is on number 2, which has a very lower score. So that clearly implies that this device is actually having some very high benchmark results, and which are quite hard to beat even by the Samsung Galaxy S4 or the HTC One. Do like this video if you actually like the content, and we hope to see you in our next video. Thank you.